Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So real quick, I gotta be quiet because my husband, he in the other room, knocked out. Okay, so yeah. But in this video, we're gonna be doing a top knot. Okay, but I'm gonna do a little twist. Okay, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Princess, my angel, you're my lover, you're the one. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
My old time subbies, you guys know I love y'all so very much. Thank you for clicking on this video as well. So here we go, do a little dance. Okay, all right, so this is how my hair is looking, y'all. Like, it's real trifling, but it's okay. We gonna fix it. So what I have to do, y'all, is really massage and incorporate an oil. So this is the African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 essential oils, and I just place it in the area where my bun usually is. Okay, in that area I struggle. Okay, I have a lot of itchiness and dryness, so massaging my scalp in that area in particular really helps. Okay, I just thought I would mention that. So to go ahead and get this top knot started, I like to incorporate water first things first. This is just going to help moisturize as well as reactivate any product that you may have had, so that you don't have to keep applying so much product, and you know, because that's how you get buildup and all that good stuff. Well, bad stuff, but you know what I mean. I'm taking Eco Styler, so don't come for me. Y'all know I still use it. All right, don't try to act like I don't or whatever. So I'm using the Crystal Eco Styler. I just took a little bit because I already had a previous bun. So this is what I wanted to share. Okay, I noticed my head shape, it's not very blessed and highly favored, but we thank God on today. Come on. So I like to go ahead and kind of swoop it to the back, so it's not going straight up, it's kind of going to the back, and that kind of helps to get the bun shape that I'm looking for. It's the little things, y'all. It's really the little things. Like, you gotta really learn your head shape and learn how you want your bun to look. And I noticed that just kind of slightly having it go back just a little bit as opposed to going straight up kind of complements my head shape more. I know y'all are like, really? Yes, really, sis. Okay, so these hair ties are truth. I love these. I get them at the beauty supply store. They come in a pack. They have amazing stretch. So I like to go ahead and pull at the ends just to get those bumps out in the back. We don't need that, okay, Mond? And then again, I'm going ahead and putting my hair up to get it out the way. So we're doing a little dance, you know what I'm saying? Just because we can, all right? And are we excited about what's to... Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Got To Be Glued, their hairspray, and I use this just around the area where my ponytail is, because sometimes I have flyaways, and I'm like really particular about my buns. Like, if I'm going for a sleek look, I am going for a sleek look. So if y'all been riding with me, you guys know that I call these my adolescent hairs. They're not quite out the house teenage hairs. They are no longer baby hairs. They are Jesus's edges, amen. And I love them to death. I have to do this for a style. That's just me. You don't have to, but this is what I do. So I'm gonna break out the Eben 24-hour edge tamer. Now we all know ain't no doggone 24 hours. The lies. You know, they just need to keep it real and say about 7 minutes. I got you. I'm just playing. But Eben is pretty good, or EBIN. I don't know, y'all. Eben is what I call it. They're pretty good. It really does lay my edges down. I like to use it at the very top of my hair because this, like, it's just, I don't know. I just have issues, okay? I just like a sleek look. You don't have to do all of this. The purposes of this video is to show you what I do. So y'all, I've been using scarves for like the majority of my life until my cousin Tamika, who braids my hair, put me up on game on the wrap strips. Okay, obviously they're nothing new. You see them all the time at beauty salons, beauty supply stores. They are excellent at really giving you a sleek look, y'all. I will no longer use scarves to tie down my hair and my edges. No, ma'am. I'm not doing it. These are life. You will see at the end of the video. But I got mine for like $2 or $3 at the beauty supply store. You just tie them down. You can also use a blow dryer to speed along the process. But if you're looking for a sleek, that's me. I like sleek top knots. So this is gonna really help get that sleekness going. So if you've seen my recent Instagram post, you guys saw that I did a top knot, and this is what I use, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture to moisturize. All right, I like to really get my ends and focus on my ends, and obviously try to maintain some shiny texture to get the look that I'm going for. Okay, so then I wet the ends of my hair as well. This is just it varies on what type of look I'm going for. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 sections. Now the reason why we're doing 3 sections is because we're gonna focus on height of this top knot. It's just not gonna be an ordinary bun, it's gonna be a top knot for real. So we're taking the middle section, wrapping around like you would a normal bun. Either tuck that in or pin it away. Then we're gonna go ahead to either your right or left section. We're gonna go ahead and kind of wrap it going up over that bun, taking the ends of that and joining it with the other section. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap it going up. So you're going up in your motion and your bun and creating your shape, because this is not just a bun, it's a top knot. Now we're gonna go ahead and pin into the bun, which is going to help create more height. Again, this is a top knot. This is just what I do when I'm feeling like I wanna, have a top knot just real high. For those of you guys who do not know, I'm only 5'3", so I like height, amount. So obviously, you guys, this is self-explanatory. We already know that we create the shapes that we like, amount. I was just showing you guys how to create height, especially since most of you guys on my Instagram have been asking, how do I get my buns the way I get them? So if I'm going for this look, this is what I do, just to kind of give the illusion of like a whole lot of hair. I gotta wrap it around and around and around. People don't be knowing, some people do, but whatever. You just go ahead and you create it to your liking. I like mine to kind of resemble a fist. I don't know, Black History Month coming up or whatever. So yeah, that's just the look that I'm going for or went for in this particular video. They do vary, they do change. But I want y'all to see. Hold on, don't go nowhere. Oh, y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my God. Listen, when I wear a scarf and I take my scarf off, it doesn't look like okay, listen. When I wear a scarf, my hair gets like the little crinkles or whatever, so it doesn't look that straight and laid. I'm just saying. So these are life. Usually I would take my Pump It Up spray, but I got to be glue spray in front of me, so I use that. But y'all, take a sip of my coffee because I deserved it, amount. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is how I create my bun when I'm going for a really, really high top knot. Y'all, like I said, I'm short, so I like a little, height in my life, amen. Gets me closer to Jesus, amen. So this is, look at this, y'all see that? Did you see it? Okay, so it's just real sleek. This is what I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I really, really appreciate you guys so very much. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.